Hi everyone, it's Ira from gmailfiend. First of all, thank you for watching this video. If you're new here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and also make sure to check our channel for more videos like this. So for today's video, we're going to be doing another tutorial. So how to turn autocorrect on. This is so simple, so easy, so let's get started. So the first thing that you'll need to do is log in your Gmail account. Then go to settings, which is actually leads you to quick settings. Click see all settings to show all the settings that you'll need for Gmail. Next is scroll down in general. And here you can see that my autocorrect is already on. You can also turn it off and see here that my preferences has been saved, as easy as that. So you can turn this on and turn this off. You can also turn on and off the grammar suggestions and the spelling suggestions, or you can also turn on the smart compose. So that's basically it on how you can turn on the autocorrect part of Gmail. I hope you like this video. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.